The Blackwire 8225 is a premium corded USB headset designed to keep distracting noise out and you focused. The Blackwire 8225 employs acoustic fence technology which uses two separate microphones to identify and differentiate your voice from background noise. Included in the box with the Blackwire 8225 headset will be the travel case and user guide. When you put the headset on, the cushions should sit comfortably over the center of your ears. This headset can be worn on the left or right side. Rotate the boom to align with your mouth. Lengthen or shorten the band until it fits comfortably. Gently bend the boom in or out so it is approximately 2 finger widths from the corner of your mouth. Next, plug the USB cable into your computer. Then download PolyHub for Windows or Mac by visiting support.hp.com/drivers. This allows you to customize your device through advanced settings and options. To make a call, dial out using your soft phone. To answer a call, use your soft phone or the convenient inline control by pressing the call button once to answer. To adjust the volume or mute the call, use the inline control buttons. To adjust the level of active noise cancelling, move the ANC switch between off, mid, and high to provide just the right level of background noise reduction for your current surroundings. For the Microsoft Teams version, as indicated by the Teams logo on the inline control, the LED shows the following Microsoft Teams related features. Solid purple indicates you're connected to Microsoft Teams. Flashing purple for 10 seconds then off indicates the headset was unsuccessful in connecting to Microsoft Teams. Make sure the Microsoft Teams desktop application is running. Pulsing purple. You've received a Microsoft Teams notification, such as an instant message or voicemail. Press the Teams button to bring up the application and view the notification. Solid blue indicates you're in a Microsoft Teams call. You're now ready to enjoy your Blackwire 8225 headset.